What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart.
Our cruise outfits. First Disney cruise. This is the boys.
I don't know what he's doing.
We are ready for our first Disney cruise. There's Presley. So excited. We have wanted to do one of these for so long. We're supposed to do one a few years ago, but I'm so excited to do it now. We are in the Uber, headed to the cruise. We're going on Disney Fantasy, which is 4 nights. This itinerary stops in the Bahamas and goes to Lookout Cay, and then there's 1 day at sea. So we are going to be swimming with what tomorrow? Dolphins in the Bahamas, which is something I know is on your vision board. Also something I've always really wanted to do too. So I'm excited, but I just can't wait to like see the ship. And especially I want to see like the dining rooms. I've heard that they're just extra magical on Disney ships. And is there anything else you really want to do, Pete?
The thing that I'm most excited about is dolphins, so no.
The dolphins.
Oh, and I'm going to beat my record for 60 ice cream cones in a day. But I beat it. But I beat it.
Name is Fantasy.
Disney Fantasy, yes.
Yeah.
Be prepared. Long lines, right? Lots of waiting. All the parents here, like it's just hurry up and wait to get on this boat. Hayden is excited. Said the biggest boat he's ever gotten to be on.
Say hello.
Oh my god. This is so cute. Mickey. Alright, we're getting to our room. We have a ocean view, but I didn't want to do the balcony. Just better safe than sorry. Really? There's laundry? Useful. Alright, let's take a look at the room. Landon's already on the bed.
I'm sleeping here.
Oh, you are?
Me and Hayden are sleeping on the couch. I'm sleeping on the couch.
I think. Oh, here, look. Our little.
Mom, where did my put it over here?
Let's go to the side. Let's split in half. This way.
What?
There we go. We got a little view.
I saw a shark.
You saw a shark?
Yes.
Great.
Yes, like one on the side over there.
All right.
Yes, flipped it.
I think this turns into a bed. We'll see. They come in and they set it all up. So I think we'll have these 2 beds. It's very comfy. Good. I'm glad it's comfy. And let's see. I've heard there's like 2 different bathrooms. Okay, so there's the shower one. And then this is probably, yep, the potty one. No, it's nice because there's a potty one and a shower one. So then 2 things to get ready too. What are you going to do?
A Brianna Cole. Brianna Cole.
That's my name. What are we going to go do?
A Brianna Cole.
No, say we're going to go get something to eat. Something to drink. And just a huge thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. Thrive Market makes it so easy. I can order everything online, have it delivered right to my door. I can set it up to be a recurring subscription if I want, or I can just do a one-time order. But one of the biggest reasons I love ordering from Thrive is they have so many options, but they've all been vetted, so I know that they are the healthiest choices for my kids. And that just helps me lighten the mental load. I don't have to do the research on the food, but I know that I'm getting great options. As a parent, we have to make enough tough choices, so I just really appreciate the fact that every item has been vetted and they make sure that there's over thousands of sketchy ingredients that aren't included in these products. Thrive Market also has the lowest price guarantee, and we all know between breakfast, lunches, snacks, dinners, groceries add up fast, and Thrive Market helps me keep our everyday essentials affordable. Just quickly, some of the favorite products. I know your kids love these pouches, which they're one of Hayden's favorite to pack in his lunch and for his snacks. If your kids are mac and cheese lovers, they absolutely love this Thrive. Again, it's organic shells and cheese. Landon especially, but all of my kids love potato chips. But these are the sour cream and onion and the original, but the good crisp company chips. And then for me, because I'm always looking for healthy, high protein options to pack in my work bag, I love getting these paleo snack mixes. But click the link down in my description box below or go to thrivemarket.com/BriannaKYT to receive 30% off of your first order plus a free gift when you sign up for Thrive Market. All right, back to the chaos. Check in the kids club. Hayden's already happy. They've got Mario Kart. Big room where they have different activities. So cute. Landon, what are you doing?
Whatever this is.
Driving a boat?
Whatever.
It's huge in here. All these different activities. I think this is one of the like adult only lounges.
I'm definitely an adult.
Okay, so this must be another eating area, yeah. Looks like a little carousel. Okay, so this is the Royal Court, one of the dining rooms.
Oven baked salmon royale.
Oh, Landon's favorite. Here, we can't go in Presley, but I'm just gonna quickly. Wow, that's pretty. It kind of reminds me of Cinderella. Doesn't it have like Cinderella vibes?
Mine reminds me of.
Oh, Beauty and the Beast too. Look, Presley.
It reminds me of.
Aw.
Right there.
We're getting our steps in and checking out the cruise. I will say, one of the hacks I actually learned from ChatGPT, can you show me that, Landon? Is I got each of the kids one of these lanyards to wear so that they have their key card and
Mom, I'm going down.
all that. So that's, each of them are wearing their lanyard. And I think this is where we have dinner tonight.
Mom, look, this is a fancy restaurant.
A fancy restaurant?
Yes.
Animator's Palace.
Yes, I think look.
Aw, look at all the drawings. That's cute. Very Mickey themed. Hayden, don't go all the way in. We're just looking fast, okay? Aw. Enchanted Garden. This is cute. One thing I did not get the memo on is to decorate your door. But it's cute. People have like all these lights and magnets. I'll show you. Like that's so
Mom.
cute. Huh.
Mom, this.
I know we're going. Gone. So cute. Aw. People are so creative. Yeah, we are definitely not prepared for decorating the door. Aw. Oh, I love this one with all the butterflies. Aw.
Yeah.
Come on.
I am still in the
And we're off. Hayden, we're off. My dad always finds ways to say hello. Vista was our Indian princess tribe. Just as I said about my dad, the song we danced at my wedding. Oh my gosh! Yay!
Someone is cruise ready. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, love it.
Give him fist pumps. You go stand with him for a picture?
All right, buddy, let's just play first.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
happy.
Happy.
Can you
So
put me up the
excited.
pole?
Yeah.
Yay!
Someone found herself a spot. We are moving. I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to feel a little seasick. I also don't know if it's because I'm just not acclimated yet, but I feel like it's hard to find food on this ship, whereas I will say the Royal Caribbean we were on, I feel like there was always food available somewhere. And like Hayden right now is just hungry, and I had to buy him a smoothie at the one coffee place because there just wasn't anything else available except for when I asked people, at least, where we already got like food at lunch earlier. So I guess I should have probably packed more snacks for this, because like he's hungry, he's asking for a bunch of snacks, and none of the it's like 5:15, none of the like gift shops or things like that are open yet. I'm not even sure if those like sell snacks, but see, maybe there's like room service or something. But we are the later dinner, which I think will be better, just so that we're not like rushing back when we are like in the Bahamas or at the beach. But that means we have to watch the shows earlier. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm like, why even bother changing for dinner? I think we all look fine because it says it's cruise casual tonight for dinner. So I feel like we're fine for that.
No!
So we're gonna go to the 6 o'clock Aladdin. You're playing a game. So we're gonna go to the 6 o'clock Aladdin shows
Can we
tonight.
go to the golf?
You want to play golf too?
Yeah,
We're gonna do that one of these days, okay? It's
Can
just like
we
it's
do
too
that
windy
today?
and cold up there right now.
I'm not a baby.
We're gonna do that when it's like warmer.
Oh, tomorrow?
Maybe tomorrow. But tomorrow we're gonna swim with dolphins too. Okay?
But can we go to Axel? Mom.
We'll see. So our plan is we're gonna stay in this outfit for dinner tonight. We'll go see the 6 o'clock Aladdin show, go to dinner at 8:15, and then come back here and go to Dreamland, because tomorrow we're gonna have to get up, have breakfast probably really fast, because we have to meet at the one restaurant set at 9:15 in the morning, because we get off at 9:30 to go swim with dolphins.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight, that look in your eyes.
All right, everybody just got their own little cup. Hayden, show me your cup. Landon, show me your cup. They're souvenir. But I should have been smart and pre-bought cups and brought ones from home. All right, here's how at night, we're going to dinner in a minute.
I didn't know.
But this is how the bed's look at night.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about
Hayden got, what'd you get, Hay?
deep connection. Lights a
Mac
spark.
and cheese?
You already know when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers.
Sticky ketchup.
We're living.
It's all you kids.
We're dreaming.
Totally hate me.
We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance.
Butternut squash stew.
Look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me more, my love. We come alive in the nighttime. You and
Presley.
we come alive.
I got the lemon.
We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see